team handling this, and I'm sure, well, for sure that they are already preparing for it for next year. And we have a spokesperson there also on impeachment cases. You can ask questions to Attorney Michael Poa.
They will be refiling the impeachment case by 2026. So how is the OVP preparing for this?
We have a separate legal team handling this, and I'm sure, well, for sure that they are already preparing for it for next year. And we have a spokesperson there also on impeachment cases. You can ask questions to Attorney Michael Poa.
Yes. So, Attorney Ruth, itong nangyayari sabi mo kanina, di ba, may mga nakikipag-usap na sa inyo. May mga nagsasabi niya. So, napasensya, may ganun ba? Pasensya na or whatever, apologize?
A few po siguro kay ma'am.
Okay.
Nagsasorry at nakikipagbate or something.
Oo, nagre-reach out.
Or
Tama ba?
nagre-reach out.
Nagre-reach out. So, ano na ba to?
Or nag-shift na lang without any...
Would you say na majority na to or minority pa rin?
We cannot say po. I cannot say.
Kasi the fact na ang budget ninyo ay nabawasan sa House, is an indication, but that was gaano katagal na ba yun? 2 months ago?
Maybe a couple of months ago.
So, pwede
Pero
ba
Pero wala pa
may
naman yung
lumalapit.
final.
Parang ano yun, kabig?
Oo.
Di ba?
Hindi,
Ay,
pero-
sorry.
O baka, ewan ko kung nagbago ng 2 buwan. So, ngayon, if there will be an impeachment to be filed, this will be, ngayon na, di ba?
If ever. Tiga, may tanong ako. I saw a
Okay.
video na ano ba yun? Pinaraffle ni VP yung mga regalo. I understand people like to give her gifts. Tapos pinaraffle niya. How did the staff respond to this?
Oh, they were
Ano?
very happy. They were very
Okay,
happy kasi, of course, these are not simple gifts rin, kahit papano, di
Kasi
ba?
VP ang binibigyan.
Yes, but the Vice President will not keep them for herself. So, nag-Halloween celebration lang ng konti sa office, and then she raffled off all those gifts.
I understand the
So,
OVP has a no-gift policy.
Yes.
Pag minsan kasi siguro cannot be avoided, like
Oo.
sent anonymously,
No,
what
kaya
can
nga.
we do?
Parang iniisip ko, so kasi dumating, so is this standard na ira-raffle sa ano, o first time nangyari to? Kasi
Na
alam ko kung
i-raffle?
sinusoli eh.
Kapag hindi na sole, like if it's sent anonymously, we'll have to give it away to the Vice President will give it away
Attorney
to
Ruth,
the staff.
a personal question to you. You served during the time of Pinoy, di ba, as Undersecretary. Chairman of HLURB, of which I served sa Housing, tama?
As PRRD,
20
Undersecretary, 2016.
2016. Okay, 2016.
DTI, no?
Yeah.
DTI and also
Parang
HLURB.
GMA, ha?
I sat in the NHA Council when
Yes.
my initial portfolio then was construction, so I sat in the NHA
Okay.
Council.
During your exposure, nakita mo yung mga company nyo, di ba? Nakita mo. I mean, sino yung mga kasama politically. And ikaw, of course, masama loob mo dito sa nakikita mo ngayon or in the past years. It's a personal, nothing to do with the VP.
Yes, sir. But as spokesperson, my personal sentiment, my personal observation will not matter, sir. So,
Yeah, I understand, pero masama loob mo, definitely. I have seen,
for-
tayong dalawa, nag-spokesperson tayo, nung nagkabaliktaran, di ba? You know, the first thing I said, yung mga kakampi naman, kami naman kakampi, pabayaan yung dalawin namin si VP Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo when she was in jail, when she was in the hospital. Dahil talagang ang feeling ko, huwag kayo naman sumobra, di ba? There's a line between politics and personal. And of course, sa'yo, ganun din ang nararamdaman mo.
I will say only this once, sir. I am not happy with what I see, how things are going, because I feel very bad for the country.
Yes, especially so for some
Said.
people
Well
in the
said.
Davao region where you studied, nakita mo rin yung mga kampi nyo na nandun nung araw. Correct?
Yes, sir. There are still a lot of them, sir.
And what
Yes.
about VP Sara? Would you say na may ganyan siyang sentiment?
I think she is above sentiments already. She's just focused on how to move forward, how to steer the office of the Vice President forward. And we aim to finish with a standing ovation in 2028.
Nung panahon, Attorney Ruth, na nakulong si Attorney, sino to, yung kanyang chief of staff, doon sa Congress, what's her name,
Attorney Laika.
yeah, VP Sara, I'm sorry, yung chief of staff niya, sino yun?
Yes, sir. Si Yusek Lopez.
Yusek
Yes,
Lopez,
Yusek.
who's also from Cebu, na anak din ni
Cebu
former
pala siya.
Davao.
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 The daughter of former Congressman Lopez. Nagkaroon siya ng outburst at that time eh. So now you're saying, and I've been noticing naman, I've been observing, na si VP Sara, itong mga ganito, tinanggal niya na yan. You know, focus na tayo, wala na tayong ganitong galit. Is that...
This time, no emotions. We just continue to work. Anything political, she made it clear that anything political that's happening around us should not affect the Office of the Vice President or any of its staff. So lahat kami, ngayon diretso lang kung ano yung mandato. As soldiers, we move on. We do not let it get to our minds or we do not let it affect us because ang kailangan po ng tao, serbisyo, hindi po kailangan ng tao ng mamroblema kami because of all the political bungling that's happening.
But let me understand, as the spokesperson, are you also the head of communications? Or
No, ma'am.
iba pa yun?
Iba pa yun. That's another person.
So, but you speak for the office of the Vice President.
Yes.
Because
and,
the VP speaks for herself. So
yes.
similar to the setup sa the president, I understand, is also the same. He speaks for himself. But there is ano ba yun? Palace spokesperson ba ang tawag?
Hindi, ano yun eh. It shouldn't happen. Sorry nung tumakbo si GMA noon, sabi nila, Mike, dahil kampanya to, you'll be the campaign spokesperson.
Okay,
Only
so
Toting
clear
Bunye,
yung
yeah, only Secretary Toting Bunye was allowed to, he is the one on governance. Talagang governance, like Attorney Ruth, no, she would like, and I understand her na, teka, governance lang din kami. Of course,
dito
maghahalo
sila sa,
minsan. Hindi mo naman maiwasan yung ganon. Pero ito, parang ang feeling ko, political na political yung nangyayari.
Sa akin kasi, the president speaks for himself. So, for example,
okay.
personal, and in fact, if there are any policies that are in the works, ganun. But ako, I spoke for the government.
For
So,
governance?
yes, because the president is a political figure. So, politics kanya yan.
Okay.
So, but the governance, like, if a policy has been issued, I will make the announcement. I would announce foreign relations and all that in coordination with the DFA.
Oh, yes.
So if it was very specific, yung DFA nagano. So in the case of the OVP, you speak for the office. Tama, pareho ba tayo? Like, you speak for the office of the Vice President because also the President, the VP for a time was also DepEd Secretary. So iba rin yung spokes for the DepEd.
Right. My mandate is to speak for the Office of the Vice President and the official acts of the Vice President.
Yes.
Ayun.
So politics, personal, family, ICC is beyond my authority to speak on.
Attorney Ruth, I noticed, dun sa celebration nyo, 15, tas may 17 kayo. So there is a rally on the 16th, 17th, and 18th.
All right.
Diba, meron led by the Iglesia ni Cristo,
Right.
dito sa may Quirino, and another one in EDSA, led
Yes,
by
sir.
groups which include my boss, Attorney Trixie. No, but anyway, so itong darating na mga rallies na to, hindi attend si Vice President.
It should be in her schedule if any invitation
If there's an
went
invitation,
to her.
okay.
Should be in the scheduler. But for
Yes.
confirmation or not, whether it's confirmed or not, I am not sure.
Yes, oo. Kasi parang, di ba, the past several months, tahimik si VP about all these things about the issues sa flood control, sa scam. Would you know, Attorney Ruth, ano yung disposition niya? Bakit ganon?
Baka nagre-recover muna, gaining more energy to face more problems or to face bigger problems
Pero
later
ang
on.
dami
Medyo
niyang
relax,
activities.
nagre-relax.
Ang dami
Yes.
niyang like, ito, Of course, ang lakas ni VP sa Mindanao, but she's everywhere, kumbaga.
That's right. That's right.
So, may daily activities siya. Hindi ka napapagod. Everyday, may information overload din yan eh. And as the information officer, the primary one that's seen by the public, kamusta?
Actually, on the
Busy ng
ground,
boss eh.
on the ground, tahimik lang naman. Kasi like you would know that if you don't see the Vice President on TV or on social media, it does not mean that she's not working. Kasi there's so many things to do in the
That's right.
until 8, 9 o'clock, there are still schedules coming in. So, hindi naman niya, parang to her, hindi niya kailangan magsalita every day or magpakita sa TV every day. Even the Office of the Vice President, even us doing the programs, hindi naman natin kailangan na palaging may media. But the important thing is, we do our job every day. Na-accomplish natin, and we are able to deliver what we're supposed to deliver.
Attorney Ruth, balik lang ako ng konti Re-rewind lang ako dun sa impeachment. Kasi parang pumasok na tong, of course, pagka nagawa na nila to in Congress, they were able to impeach her. And then goes to the Senate. Ang sinasabi ng marami ngayon is yung mga allies niya or those identified with her. For example, sinasabi, arestuin na si Bongo, Senator Bongo, and Senator
May mga ganyan na nga
Bato de la Rosa. Tapos na-file na si Senator Joel Chua and Senator Jingo Estrada.
Joel Villanueva. Senator Villanueva.
Sorry, Joel Chua pala sa Congress, no? Anyway, Joel Villanueva, parang ito yung supposedly allies niya dun sa bloc, di ba? If I'm not mistaken. So, ano ang pananaw ng Vice Presidente dito na tinatanggal na yung mga kalyado niya para pag akyat sa Senado, mas mabilis siya matanggal at ma-impeach bilang Vice President? And of course, to be disbarred from running for President in 2020. Disqualified.
So,
That's a totally political question that the Vice President herself can respond. To.
Yes.
Sir Mike.
So same, politics for the
politics
VP,
is-
and then governance, OVP.
That's right.
Yun,
Because
so-
the governance
So,
and the institution does not have politics.
So ito,
Or-
the COA, as ever, has given you an unqualified opinion dun sa ano. What does this actually mean when it's an unqualified opinion? Does it simply mean that you have complied with all the forms and all the formats?
Yes, okay. So let me just emphasize that the unqualified audit opinion given by the Commission on Audit has been happening since 2023.
Oo nga, since,
diba? So we have
since the
had
start,
that
yes,
since 2023, 2022, 2023, and then 2024. By unqualified audit opinion, it means that the agency is able to fairly present the documents covering the financial transactions. It has been found to be transparent, so everything that they needed to see is there. It has been found to be honest because what we submit in the reports are actually covered by all these documents, receipts, or whatever acknowledgement
Yes.
is needed to justify or to prove that the transaction took place. So the unqualified, unmodified, and unqualified,
Yes.
interchangeable audit opinion means that the Office of the Vice President has fairly presented our financial documents covering financial transactions. It is honest, it is transparent. And we've had that for the last 3 years.
I'm sure, Attorney Ruth, sa office nyo ngayon, medyo paranoid, no, sa lahat. Pagka may bidding, pagka may purchasing. Kasi, di ba? I would think na ang thinking nyo lahat is maghahanap ng butas.
We all exercise prudence in
Yes.
our spending and in our submissions of financial
Yes.
documents.
Yes. Kasi hindi malis minsan, di ba, sa government naman talaga, medyo detailed lahat eh. Pagbili mo ng gas, resibo, ganito. So ngayon siguro talagang triple check sa lahat na talagang... Kasi dati pagka sinabit mo, sasabihin lang, may kulang ka. Or
Yes.
fix this, di ba? Ano, ang tawag dyan?
Ako, praning ako sa ganyan.
Yes.
I even watch everything that I sign. And I have to make sure na may recommending authority parate.
Pero ako noon, alam mo, ang recommendation sa akin, pag napirmahan na nung head ng back, plus the legal, dumaan
Yes,
na,
O yun din, legal
diba,
dapat talaga.
in good faith ka na even if you sign.
Kaya nga, that's the
Kasi pag,
the Arias doctrine.
Oo.
Pag na-recommend na.
yeah.
One last. Si VP Sara is famous for her humor. Ay, I've
very
been
strong
on the
sense of
receiving
humor.
end of that. So like at the Kamuning Bakery, somebody asked her a question about the president, and then she sees me in the audience and says, si Attorney Trixon sasagot niyan. So, could you give us just a glimpse? Kayo ba, have you ever been on the receiving end of her very famous humor?
Not me as the subject of her humor, but she would just say, dali lang yan, kaya mo yan.
So,
Ganyan lang. If you ask her a question, she would just say, parang pwede naman. And then she would crack a joke. So,
Ako, Attorney Ruth, on the other side naman, kasi she's projected the stuff and I've dealt with her naman tagang tough.
yeah.
Were there mga moments na, kasi yung